There are so many ways to use Zoflora, from placing it in hot water in your sinks to cleaning your bathroom with it. Welcome to our channel, Coffee Mornings with a Twist. We decided to set up a weekly coffee morning where we share our love of food, cleaning tips, shopping and all that good stuff. We moved from busy London to a small village where life is very different. During our chit-chats, we discovered that we both love Zoflora, so in this video we will be sharing our top tips on how we use Zoflora. There are so many ways to use Zoflora, from placing it in hot water in your sinks to cleaning your bathroom with it. After sharing our tips, these were our favourites.
Zoflora has suddenly become the latest must-have cleaning product.
So, what is Zoflora?
Zoflora is a concentrated disinfectant that you can use all over the house.
It says that it kills 99.9% of viruses.
Let's see what this smells like. This one is...
Hello Spring.
Smells lovely. And it also says on there that it eliminates foul odours and has a fresh scent that lasts all day.
We use Zoflora for just about everything.
So in this video we will share with you how we use Zoflora.
We spray Zoflora on our welcome mat
so that our guests get a fresh scent as they walk through the door.
The smell lasts for a few days and it also helps to disinfect your mat at the same time, so it's a win-win. And it's so good if you have pets or young children.
We use an empty reed diffuser and we fill it up with 2 cups of water and 2 cups of Zoflora.
And we place this in a cupboard or in our hallway.
So by doing this, it makes your cupboard and house smell amazing, and Zoflora have really stepped up their game. They have some amazing scents. Another one of our favourite tips is spraying Zoflora on your artificial plants and flowers. Not only does it remove the dull look that they may have over time, but it also helps them to act as an air freshener to keep your house smelling fresh. Another one of our favourite tips is spraying Zoflora on our carpets after you've vacuumed. Again, it helps to keep everything clean and it smells wonderful. I use Zoflora on my kitchen and dining room floor. Not only does it help to keep the floor clean, it leaves a long-lasting, fresh, fragrant smell behind. Steam mops work brilliantly with Zoflora. The whole house smells wonderful as the steam leaves the mop and is infused into the air during the steaming process. If you have a steam mop, you have to try it. It's totally amazing. Again, another one of our favourites is to spray Zoflora on our soft furnishings. And we spray it on cushions, on throws. You can spray Zoflora on just about any soft furnishings. It really helps your home to smell lovely. Zoflora does what it says on the tin and more. It smells wonderful, it kills viruses and bacteria, and it helps to keep your home smelling clean. We love it, and we've tried nearly every single scent. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Tell us about your favourite tips and what scents you prefer. Thank you for watching.
Right, okay.